Have you ever considered how a few extra miles per hour can dramatically change the outcome of a car crash, transforming a minor fender bender into a life-altering event? It is far more impactful than many realize, with consequences extending beyond just a traffic ticket. Speeding causes major car accidents primarily because it drastically reduces a driver's ability to react, significantly increases the force of impact during a collision, and severely limits a vehicle's maneuverability and stopping distance. This combination creates a recipe for catastrophic outcomes on the road, where even a slight increase in speed can lead to a much more severe accident. The core reason speeding is so dangerous lies in physics, specifically kinetic energy. The energy involved in a collision increases exponentially, not just proportionally, with speed. This means hitting an object at 60 miles per hour has 4 times the destructive power of hitting it at 30 miles per hour, leading to far greater vehicle damage and much more severe injuries to occupants. Additionally, higher speeds demand greater perception reaction time from the driver, meaning the time it takes to see a hazard, process it, decide to act, and then actually apply the brakes or steer away is much longer, covering a greater distance before any evasive action can even begin. Understanding this means you can take actionable steps to protect yourself and others. Always adhere to posted speed limits, and even consider driving below them in adverse conditions like rain or heavy traffic. Maintaining a safe following distance allows for adequate perception reaction time and braking distance, which are critical for avoiding sudden collisions. Recognize that speed limits are set for ideal conditions, and adjusting your speed for real-world variables dramatically reduces your risk of an accident. Furthermore, speeding not only makes accidents more likely and more severe, but it also directly impacts legal liability. In personal injury law, speeding is often considered a clear form of negligence, making the at-fault driver responsible for damages. This is because a driver who speeds knowingly increases risk, breaching their duty of care to other road users. This adherence to safe driving practices can be crucial evidence if you ever need to pursue a personal injury claim, proving that you acted responsibly while the other party did not. By choosing to drive at safe, appropriate speeds, you are not only safeguarding your own life and the lives of others, but you are also making a conscious decision that supports a safer driving environment for everyone. It is a proactive step that minimizes the risk of devastating accidents and, should an incident occur, strengthens your position regarding liability and responsibility.